Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into products that can truly make a difference in your life. Today, we're shining the spotlight on something extraordinary, the Genius Wave. We've gathered some incredible customer reviews that are going to blow your mind. So, buckle up and let's get started. Our first segment is all about the initial impressions, the unboxing experience of the Genius Wave. Imagine unwrapping a package that holds the key to unlocking your full potential. We'll explore the packaging, the presentation, and the excitement that builds up as you get closer to experiencing this genius in a box. Now, let's delve into the heart of the matter. The real stories from individuals whose lives have been transformed by the Genius Wave. Get ready to be inspired as we hear firsthand about the positive impact it's had on their daily routines, productivity, and overall well-being. These are not just reviews. They're testimonials of a life-changing journey. Ever wondered what makes the Genius Wave stand out from the crowd? In this segment, we'll dissect the product, exploring the science behind its genius. From cutting-edge technology to innovative design, we'll uncover the elements that contribute to its effectiveness. Get ready for a fascinating journey into the core of brilliance. We've been receiving loads of questions from you, our awesome community, about the Genius Wave. So, in this segment, we'll address the most common queries and concerns. No stone will be left unturned, as we ensure you have all the information you need to make an informed decision about incorporating this genius into your life. Now that you've heard the reviews, witnessed the transformative experiences, and learned about the inner workings of the Genius Wave, it's your turn. We're leaving a link in the description below this video. Click it to take the next step in unlocking your own wave of brilliance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your life to new heights. And there you have it, folks. The Genius Wave, not just a product, but a game changer according to these incredible customer reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay brilliant.